Hello, this is Alex from Fontain Motors. If you own an Audi, VW, Seat or Skoda car with a four-wheel drive system like this TTS Quattro, you very likely have a Haldex differential that requires servicing. Most of the VAG group cars with engines of up to about 2 litres quite commonly use the Haldex four-wheel drive system that uses a clutch in the rear differential that, much like the oil in your engine, needs its oil changing every 3 years. Very important to stick to that schedule to avoid undue wear or potentially expensive repairs. The VW group actually use this differential in 2 ways. So not only do they use it for four-wheel drive cars, that could be a VW 4Motion or an Audi Quattro, etc. They also use a front-wheel drive version of it called VAQ differential. This is in cars like the Golf GTI Performance, the Seat Leon Cupra, the Octavia VRS. Rather than sending the power backwards and forwards in those cars, it actually sends the power left and right, but it works in exactly the same way, and the oil in the differential must be changed every 3 years.